So how far in advance do you need to book your wedding photographer? Hi, I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia-Beth Photography. Welcome back to my channel. In these little videos, I am just answering a quick wedding planning question in under 2 minutes. Okay, so when you're thinking about your wedding photographer and how far in advance you should book them, it obviously completely varies on a few different questions. The average booking time is between 9 to 12 months before your wedding day. Obviously, it depends on how soon you've been engaged and when your wedding day is, but that's the sort of time that we're looking at in general. But for me, as a wedding photographer, I've been booked as far in advance as 2 years, so it can completely vary. So here's just a few things to consider. Are you getting married on a really popular wedding date? Dates like a bank holiday or New Year's Eve or Valentine's Day, these can be really popular dates for many, many couples. And so if you're getting married on one of those days, you will want to book your photographer much further in advance than you would if it was any other day. If you're getting married on a weekday, for example, on a Wednesday, you probably have a bit more leeway because photographers won't be as booked up on as many weekdays as they would be on a Saturday. Another thing to consider is how much is it going to cost. I think that if you book your wedding photographer further in advance, it means that you've got more time to pay. A lot of wedding photographers, myself included, offer payment plans where you can just pay monthly. So if you are booking your photographer at least a year in advance, then you've got 12 months to pay that off. And then the last question to ask you is, how important is the photography to you? I'm very biased being a wedding photographer, but I know that photography is one of the only things from your wedding day that you are going to keep that's going to help the memories last, along with videography as well. So those are the sort of things that you do want to make sure that you get booked in pretty much as soon as you know your wedding date. So I hope you really enjoyed that 2-minute answer. I will be doing so many more questions and answers on this channel over the months to come. So go ahead and make sure you hit subscribe and hit like, and go ahead and share this video if you found it useful. I'll speak to you soon.